what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, welcome as well. Please take a moment and subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make farro. This is a delicious and nutritious grain with a nutty flavor and al dente. It also has some amazing texture, so it's going to add a little bit of depth into your dish. It's no wonder that farro became very popular. So farro is referring to three ancient grains. When we buy here in the US, it's not specified which grain we're actually buying, but here are the name of the three grains. It is rich in fiber. It has high content of protein, zinc, magnesium, and some other minerals. So it is a great replacement for white rice, brown rice. It is very comparable to its cousin quinoa. It also has a little bit more carbs than the quinoa. Farro is just not good if you have intolerance towards gluten because it is a wheat grain. And if you're trying to eliminate carbs completely, you probably want to skip farro. Otherwise, this is a great replacement and just another alternative to spice up your weekly meals. So today I'm making a basic hot version of how you can prepare and serve farro. I will be posting the list of ingredients and measurements in the description down below, as well as at the end of the video. This is something new I'm trying out, so please leave some feedback and let me know how you liked it. Let's go over the ingredients you're going to need for today's recipe. Farro, filtered water, salt, garlic, olive oil, lemon, and parsley. Now that our mise en place is ready, all we got to do is start cooking. So we're turning our stove top to high. And we're going to add the filtered water and salt and bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, rinse your farro until the water is clear. Once the water is boiling, add the farro, cover, and simmer for 25 minutes. Low heat. Meanwhile, we're going to make our aioli. So I have here 3 small pieces of garlic. We're going to heat up the olive oil and let our garlic cook slowly. Make sure not to burn your garlic. The farro is cooked and still al dente after 25 minutes. I use a ratio of 2 parts of water for 1 part of farro, and I drain the excess water. So we have the farro. And then the aioli, chopped parsley, and zest of a lemon. I am actually getting just about a third of this lemon in zest, but of course you're going to make it to your taste. Mix it up, and that's it. Your delicious warm farro is ready. It is a great side dish. You can also eat this cold as a salad, and you can add anything you like, dried fruits, nuts, tomatoes, you name it. You can add just about anything. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. And don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.